Hi friend, assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody is good. The friend, today you are watching my YouTube channel Civil Solution. My previous video I will discuss about the civil basic knowledge. This video I will discuss about the PT SPT. This SPT is one type of test, soil test. The friend, every site engineer start the construction before do the SPT test, because I will do the SPT test and get the soil value, soil bearing capacity and soil density. So this video I will topic the SPT, standard penetration test. So now I will discuss about the definition. The standard penetration test, commonly known as the SPT. Every you go the signing, you newly pass out, though you understand the what is the full form of SPT, because everywhere you go, so every engineer use the SPT short form. You go site and your supervisor, your manager tell, brother, go and check the SPT test. You not understand what is the SPT full form, so you not do the this test. So this test, so SPT means is standard penetration test. So standard penetration test was developed to provide geotechnical engineering properties for foundation design. Developed why developed to provide the geotechnical engineering properties for foundation design purpose. I will do this test and you get the value, then after I make the foundation design. And second part is this test carried out within a borehole. It is all test doing in borehole, and the result can be used to determine the relation determine the relative density, bearing capacity and the settlement of granular soil. I will do this test and then get the three value: density, bearing capacity and the settlement of the granular soil. So friend, this test I will show you the this is the which equipment I will use. Generally I will use the 2-3 equipment. First is the I will show you the diagram. I make the diagram and you understand the first is split sampler tube. Okay friend, first equipment name is split sampler tube. This tube like this one, whole cylinder like this. Why call the this whole cylinder called the split sampler test tube? Because this both side is nut bolt. I remove this nut bolt, then this tube divided two part like this, two part divided two part, and I will easily collect the soil in here, because testing soil sample soil collect in hole here. So first is split, so I will use the split. Second is all soil collect inside of this tube, all sample soil. So split sampler tube, I call that this name is split sampler tube. Second equipment is hammer. This is the hammer. Sorry, I will use the split sampler tube. This tube length, this length is 650 mm, and diameter. This is two diameter. This one is outside diameter or one is inside diameter. The outside diameter is 50 millimeter. Okay, friend. Outside diameter is 15 millimeter, and inside diameter 35. Okay, friend. This is a sampler inside, and this is the diameter. Outside outside diameter is 50. Inside diameter is 35 millimeter. Okay, friend. And second equipment is hammer. This hammer weight is 63.5 kg. Okay, or this hammer look like this is the hammer. Middle is one hole is here. This hole available is here. This hammer. Second, and third is steel rope, and fourth is drill pipe. And slip pipe. Drill pipe and slip pipe. Slip pipe, why I call a slip pipe, because this hammer slip in this pipe and apply the force of the anvil. I make that one diagram, full diagram, so you understand the full process. First you go for the side. Okay, friend, this is the side, for example, and you make the one hole. This is the hole, bore hole. Okay, this is the bore hole. This is length is 18 inch or 457 millimeter. ठीक है. One point also. For example, you make the borehole. You make the borehole here. You use the maybe manually you make the borehole, or you use the machine. So when you use the machine, then here beside of this hole, this soil is loose, and this soil is fall down in this hole. So this hole is not clear. That's why I provide the casing both sides of this hole. This is the casing. Okay, friend. I provide the casing of both sides. I will provide the casing both sides, so the soil not go inside, or my borehole is clean. After I do this one, then after I put the sampler here. Okay, friend, this is my sampler, and this process I will do in 3 parts. Okay, I will do this process is 3 parts. One part height is 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. This is the height distance. Okay, friend, I will put my sampler here, and I will join the drill rod here. This is the drill rod. and after this is the rest point. Here rest the this hammer rest here. Okay, friend, and this is the slide pipe. Sorry, slip pipe. Slip p slip pipe, and I put the hammer. Yeah, hammer is hole. One hole is available here. This is the hammer. Okay, hammer both side is hook available. I will tie the steel rope here. Okay, at this rope, steel rope connect this pulley. One pulley is here, and one guy is standing here, and this guy rotate the this steel rope, and this hammer go upside. Hammer go upside here, and this distance resting point to hammer distance is 762 millimeter. Hammer reach here, then after free fall hammer in here rest point. So this all force apply in rest point, and then this rest point connect the drill rod, or this drill rod, this force apply in drill rod, or then this force and through go this force through go in this rod to sampler, and sampler go inside of soil. So first 150 centimeter. How to get the this sampler go inside of 150? So you use the tape and put the mark here for the drill rod. So you understand the how many inches the sampler go penetrate in the soil. So 150 centimeter penetrate the sampler inside. So no, not calculate, not count the stoke. After first part is clear, then after sampler reach here, then you start the count. You do the one stroke and then count one. You again stroke two, again three. You count, and sampler reach here, so you note down the value. Maybe for example 10 stroke, you do the 10 stroke, then after sampler reach the 150 millimeter, and again you count, continually count, and sampler go inside, and again second part you complete reach in reach here second level 150 mm. So total maybe 10 stroke, and after doing the next part you do the 12 stroke. The total number of stroke 22. Denote is n. This n is 22. You note down this value, and after out the sampler of the sampler, and split the sampler and collect the soil, and collect the soil, and then send the soil for testing, and use the, and also send the number of stock. Also put one paper, then you make the Excel sheet, and then put the one paper how many stock you do this one, then your sampler go reaching 150 and 150, done the two layer of 150, and use this Excel sheet you put in inside of this sample and send the laboratory, and then he calculate everything, and engineer get the soil density or bearing capacity. So my next video I will discuss about the density and how to calculate the soil density and bearing capacity. Okay, friend, by continuing watching my next part, you properly understand the SPT.